Merrill C1000 repair kit for the C1000 and CNL1000. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the box here. Okay, so the kit should come with these two metal link plates or draw straps, and the plunger assembly, the packing nut, the packing, these two hex nuts, rubber O-ring, and the pivot connector. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part that'll come with the kit, starting with the plunger assembly. Now the plunger assembly is a hard rubber material there, and then that brass rod with those female threads. So total length at the tip of the plunger is almost like a dome shape or bullet shaped plunger. So end to end, measure right at about 1.75 inches, and an outer diameter down there at those female threads, measuring just over 1/2 inch. And we can measure one of the link plates here, which they should measure right at the exact same. And then the total length of the link plate will measure just over 3 inches, with the width of right about 1.25 inches. Okay, and then get a measurement of the packing. We can do a length and outer diameter. So starting with the length, it'll measure right at about just over 1/2 inch. And then an outer diameter of right about just over 1/2 inch as well. And then the packing nut, we'll have that hex kind of head there, and then those male threads. So we'll start with a total length, and that'll measure just under 1 inch, with an outer diameter of right about 3/4 of an inch. And then lastly, we can measure that pivot connector here. We'll get a total length, and that'll measure right over 1 inch, with an inner diameter of right up just below 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Merrill PKCF repair kit.